प्लीज
ये सुहेल संधी साहब।
हाँ
कुर्ब सिंधियाणी तहां के मुझो सलाम मुझो मुबारक हुजे। तहां दर थोड़े ڇॾिया आहिनि अची वियो आहे भार। ही अॼु जेको तहां जे तकरीरनि हुई, they were not about nationalism, they were about promotion of Bhuttoism. We have not even reached the iceberg. Asma, I would like to ask you, which premier of sin gave us the June 4th, 1947 resolution? Nationalists, do you know his name? Second question, who murdered Murtaza Bhutto? Third question, how can you be a muhajir if you are born here? 70 years, intermarriages have taken place. What is this nonsense?
thank you very much sir.
No, I have to say a few more words. William the Conqueror's descendant lives in a castle in Normandy. No need to say more. Long live Sindhu, river and Sindh.
Thank you. There was a question in it. Who separated Sindh from the Bombay presidency? I think that's the question I got. Otherwise, it was a speech. Please go.
मेरे ख्याल में सिंध की जो बॉम्बे के ऊपर चैप्टर इस बुक में तफसील से दिया गया है, अगर आप वो पढ़ लेंगे तो ये वाज़ेह हो जाएगा।